At now ready to race 2012 Piracom Peridot Stakes Race, imported local challenge race. And the race is on. Doña Nenita from the outside, Born Tycoon down on the inside. In between, runners striding ahead down on the inside, Rain Shower, Botbo, while In the Hay is running at the tail of the field, passing for the judge stand for the first time. It's now entry number 4, striding ahead by about 2 lengths, followed by Born Tycoon in second. Botbo, the favorite, running in third by about 3 lengths down on the inside. Fourth, Rain Shower. Doña Nenita alongside fifth, and In the Hay is running at the tail of the field by about 8 to 9 lengths of the leader as they round the 3/4 mile distance, riding ahead, enjoying by about 2 lengths, followed by Born Tycoon in second, and 4 lengths corner back in third, Botbo. Rain Shower running in fourth by about 2 lengths, alongside fifth, Doña Nenita. In the Hay still bring up the rear, passing the last 850s, riding ahead, is still leading by half a length, followed by Born Tycoon. Botbo getting closer in third this time by about 2.5 lengths, and at the far turns, riding ahead by a length and a half, Born Tycoon. Botbo is now running in third, and at the far turns, riding ahead by half a length, Born Tycoon down on the inside. Botbo remains in third, Rain Shower. In the Hay, Doña Nenita racing towards the final turn and into the exciting and long Santana stretch run with Born Tycoon down on the inside, striding ahead. Botbo the father outside, Rain Shower. Born Tycoon is riding ahead once again on the outside, fighting back. Born Tycoon's riding ahead on the outside. Born Tycoon's riding ahead and nearing the finish line. It's going to be Born Tycoon. Seconds riding ahead, Botbo, Rain Shower, In the Hay, and